Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. Today I'm cooking in the Koda and I'm cooking a tapas topping pizza. A selection of tapas meats topped onto my pizza. Let's go make it. Made my pizza and the wind is starting to blow. We've got this big Atlantic storm coming in apparently, so I'm getting my pizza cooked before that comes in now, but I can feel the wind is going up and up as I cook. So let's get this in anyway and get the cook going. Wow, that was quick. I wasn't expecting the crust to cook that quick. I go turn it all the time. You can see the wind is being blowing blowing my crust. I mean, blowing my flames. I got crust on my brain. It's a 200-gram dough ball, and it was a 24-hour room proof, and then a 19-hour fridge proof, 60% hydration. Blue Caputo Pizzeria 00 soft grain flour. I'm just making sure I don't burn because the wind is blowing the flame and sometimes I get caught out when that happens. And just suddenly it will just go boom. See a bit there? Just like that. You just gotta be careful when it's a bit windy. It's done. The way the flame caught that in like nanoseconds. You can see that it has cooked the serrano ham on the edges there. There and there. That's got a nice crust to cook. Piece. Try that piece. That was a bit of a challenging cook in the end. It was very fast. I didn't have it on full. It was only three quarters of the way on the dial. And so I think the wind just took the flame off the top of the pizza, but then it cooked the crust really fast. So yeah, that was a bit of a challenge, but it came out all right. I like all my leoparding and my crust. I'm happy with that. It's very nice. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.